Alright, so sorry for the background noise. My girlfriend's actually downstairs in the basement, which is 2 floors below me, watching the new season of Frankie and Grace. So it's kind of coming through the floors. If you can hear that, I'm sorry, but I don't really have any other time that I can record this video. I'm going to be very busy with kitchen remodels here for the next few months, and the house is going to be a complete disaster. So we'll see how this goes. Anyway, let's tear into this thing. Card, nice little user manual, which of course I will probably read, one section, if that. Pretty good at figuring out stuff on my own. Not the most excellent packaging, but what do we got here? So we have a wall charger, which is not micro USB, but a proprietary little, I don't know what you call this kind of connector. It's like a U-shaped thing. We do have a not micro USB, a mini USB here, just so a standard USB cable. We have a mini HDMI to full-size HDMI. This is for video out. What do we got down here? This is the battery. Yes. Tiny little battery. Maybe the size of your thumb. Thing is absolutely not very big, but you know what? I'll probably have it plugged in to power while recording most of my videos, so that's fine. Let me make sure I got nothing else buried down inside of here. Probably not. It's almost hard enough to get this stuff out. Okay, so that's it. And here is the goodie bag. So here it is. In my hand, that's all the bigger it is, obviously, with the exception of having the battery on the back. It's not huge. I'm going to say maybe 5 inches long, 2 inches tall, 2 inches wide, and maybe an extra inch for the battery. It's actually not terrible. Nice steady grip for the hand. And this is full flip and back. Now I specifically got the one that is a larger screen and it's capacitive touch. And there, see? Right there in the video, you can tell I'm using my cell phone to record. But the viewing angle for this screen is much better because now I'm able to record myself and I can see what's in frame and what's not, so I can better position myself. That was a big thing I can't do right now with the cell phone, is I can't really see what I'm doing. I have to stand sort of to the side of the camera, and it's very awkward. It's hard on my back. So, my recording setup doesn't really allow for that. But, oh, look, there I am. So anyway, this is, let's see here. See if I can get you in on this. So there's microphone, so for an external mic, and I do have one. It's in my desk right now. It's what I use to record some of the audio off the laptop, so it's a little bit better quality. AV out or headphone, HDMI out. There's your USB, direct connect to the computer. I'm going to assume that is photo or video viewing mode here, obviously on and off. And then this guy flips to the side, and this is where you would put in your full-size SD card, not a micro SD. Unfortunately, with this one, I do have micro SD cards, but they'll go into an adapter that will then go in here. Now, I'm not sure what the speed rating minimum is to keep up 1080 at 60 FPS, but I will look into that. And I may actually have to end up buying a card. But if I don't have to, then I'll just use what I've got. I have a few 16 gig cards spare, and we'll go with those. So on the front is what I believe is right here. This switch on the side operates the iris, so we can keep it closed. It's not, obviously if you see something blank on the screen, you'll know that your lens is closed. So you're going to want to open it before you record, or you could miss precious seconds. That's something that other users have complained about. On the bottom here, we have mount for this guy. So I can literally take this in here, and then I can set this or wrap it around, wrap the legs around something and have my camera essentially on a tripod. Let me keep that closed and dust free. Now I also have a full-size mount, which is what my cell phone is currently attached to here. And it has the same style threading in here with a removable plate. So that was a big thing. I am eventually going to see if I can either make or buy an articulating arm that I can mount on the wall that I can then use to kind of pull over like a dentist mirror and kind of position wherever I need it to for whatever I'm working on. And then when I'm done, I just fold it back against the wall and call it a day. So I haven't had any luck finding what I'm looking for, so I may have to make one. We'll see. So with that, take this guy off the bottom. Obviously battery goes in the back here, and it is a little bit of a slide switch to take it out. You have your zoom in and out up top, which is your right-handed, one hand, one finger zoom in and out while you're viewing. Now unfortunately the play pause button is a little bit farther back here, which is kind of awkward, kind of makes it strange to hold. So if you can imagine a thick battery in here, that's going to make your thumb awful tired to hold it back like that. It would be more natural to put it either on top or even up here, or for that matter, on the inside. But to have it back here, it's kind of a pain, but with everything, you'll get used to it. It's not the most expensive camera, but it should work. So with that, we have 57x advanced zoom, HD CMOS optical image stabilization. That's a really nice one. The demo that I tried out had that on even on a cheaper version of this, and it was really nice. It doesn't have a physical gimbal for the lens. It's simply digital image stabilization. And obviously 32x optical zoom. So 32x for optical zoom, 57x for the advanced zoom. Not super awesome, but I can live with it. And of course, a built-in microphone on the top if you don't want to use the line in for the microphone here. So really that's it. There isn't a whole lot to it. I'm thinking these two right down here are noise canceling microphones, I'm pretty sure. Or this is noise canceling and these are your directional pickups. That would make more sense to me. But yeah, so there's my guy. I need to plug him in, get him charged, and I'll work on getting some updated video here. I'm not sure what I'll record first, but I will let you guys know, and hopefully the recording quality will go up. So the quality of this video and all future videos should be much better. Hopefully this is money well spent. Guess we'll find out. Until then, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Mostly subscribe. You'll see how this guy works. And I will see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.